my god, this shirt used to fit so tight on me, and look at this. It's so cool. Hello, I am back for another 2 weeks of challenge. For the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be running a mile every single day. Maybe there might be a rest day per week. Still not sure, but I'm going to be attempting to run a mile. I have a really bad memory, well, really bad memories running the mile. It used to be my least favorite day in PE in middle school and high school. I used to get so embarrassed being one of the slowest people. Back then, my mile, I think I would do like a 15-minute mile, which is slow. The fastest I ever did was probably, if I remember correctly, 10. And the only reason why I was able to do that was because I was running with a friend of mine and she's quite fast. I was very slow. She slowed down a little bit for me, and yeah, we were able to do it together. But I would get so embarrassed every single time we had to run the mile, so I was able to get out of it a few times. And I don't know, I want to be able to run it and not feel secondhand, well, not even secondhand, like not feel embarrassed and not feel that anxiety I would get whenever we would be told like, oh, today we're running the mile. And yeah, it's just something that I want to conquer as an adult. So I'm gonna make it happen. I'm going to be just using the treadmill to run the mile. I do have problems with my left knee, this guy. I have torn my meniscus a few times, so I don't want to damage it during these 2 weeks. Thankfully it hasn't given me any trouble so far, but I just don't want to risk it by running in the concrete. So I'm just gonna do it at the gym, and then afterwards I'm gonna continue with my workout. I'm gonna do some weights and, you know, my regular stuff. I got my high support bra on, so like I'm ready to go run. So let's do this. First things first, I need to stretch before I attempt to run a mile. Started. I'm so out of breath. Like 7 minutes in. Managed to do a light run, all 7 minutes. I'm gonna drink some water and then continue. I sobbed again. I need to catch my breath. I'm so out of breath. Let's finish it up. I'm so out of breath. But I did it. I do need to add 2 50-second breaks to this. Day 2. I look very glam, but I haven't gone and ran my mile yet. I'm gonna go in a little bit. Today I met up with a friend, my friend Jonathan. He is so much fun to hang out with. Finally met him in person today, and we walked a lot. But that's still not gonna stop me from going to the gym. Now I'm ready. I'm gonna work out in full glam. I'm just leaving the gym right now. I, of course, went in the evening, so it was a lot busier. So I was very embarrassed to just whip out like my camera and start filming, but managed to do the mile. I didn't take any breaks this time, which was good. I did walk a little bit because I was so tired, but I managed to still improve my time by 2 minutes, which is good. Feeling proud of that, but hopefully tomorrow will be better. I'm hoping my legs won't feel as tired. I kind of feel like I might get a muscle cramp tonight. Like my left calf is calf? I don't even know. Calf? I don't know. It's feeling really tight, so I'm gonna give it a good massage and hopefully I don't get a cramp tonight. So I know I mentioned this last night, but I felt like my left calf? Oh my god, I'm still struggling, sorry. But I felt like it was gonna cramp up, and it might have overnight because I was having a little bit of trouble walking on my left leg this morning. It doesn't hurt as much right now, but I definitely do need to do a very good stretch before I run. and maybe even use the roller after my run just so that muscle isn't completely like knotted up. Cycling right now, running the mile isn't the only thing I'm doing in terms of a workout, but today's mile I did slightly worse than yesterday, but as I mentioned, my leg was hurting, so maybe it wasn't that bad. I feel a little out of breath. I'm so sweaty. We got day 3 done. I think one of my biggest downfalls is that I just suck at breathing while I'm running. So I looked up some videos. Hopefully that will help me not lose my breath as quickly. And then today I'm in a different treadmill. There's actually a huge fan right above me. So maybe that will help keep me cool. To shave off more than a minute. I'm still having trouble with my breathing. That's something that I need to work on. I'm so happy that I got to shave a whole minute, or more than a minute, off my time. Hello, happy Friday. I'm here. Gonna do another mile. This might be the last mile of this week just because I don't want to overdo it and get a really bad leg cramp. Although my leg's feeling a lot better. But yeah, I just don't want to, be an overkill. I'm so tired. This is my time. Day 5. That was much more exhausting. I really pushed myself a lot. Like 3 minutes. I was able to shave off a little time. I'm so tired. So it's been a while since you last saw me. That's because I got sick. I caught a flu, a cold. I don't even know what it was, but had really bad congestion, sore throat, lots of headaches, and I took last week off. So that threw my 2 weeks of running a mile completely off, and I'm just gonna pick up from where I started. I'm probably not gonna see as much improvement since I took a whole week off, but let's get this done. I mean, it is what it is. I got sick. I gave my body enough time to recuperate. Feeling better now. Still feel my throat a little bit sore, but I feel good enough to go work out. I went and worked out yesterday, so I'm gonna, start the cycle again. I honestly feel like I'm gonna start all over again. I'm not looking forward to this. But just in case, just in case I can't keep up with it, I'm clipping this. I don't want to fly off. And yeah, let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna have to start by jogging. Okay. It has not been a good while. Almost done. Done. 13-minute mile, so not an improvement whatsoever. A little bit of a setback, but I really did struggle breathing, even more than usual. I feel so tired. I'm on my way to the gym. I feel a little sniffly, so hopefully that doesn't affect me while I'm running, but we shall see. Man, I chose like the worst time to do this challenge. I just finished running. I'm exhausted. But the last 10 miles, I sprinted. So I actually improved slightly from yesterday, which is good. But my breathing is still a constant issue. I'm really good about this one. Did it. We have today's Thursday. 2 more runs to do before this 2 weeks comes to an end. I am in so much pain right now. Look at this. Ah! And then this one's blistering even more. So it's been a very interesting, not even 2 weeks, it's been like 3 weeks now. I got sick 1 week with a cold, I wouldn't say aggressive, but I mean, I couldn't really do anything. Then last week I didn't get to run on Friday or Saturday because I was working. Yay, we're having a job now. But I was on my feet the whole entire day, and yeah, I got these burns there. I'm working for a very well-known like hair care company, and yeah, I burned myself. So that's fun. I really need to put a band-aid on this guy. It's hurting so much. So I'm not gonna be able to do like 10 runs in my 2 weeks. Like, it's been the most scattered 2 weeks of challenge that I've ever done. But I'm gonna do one last run today, and then yeah, hopefully it goes by well. But I think this is going to be something that I'm going to be adapting into my workout routine. So regardless, I'm still going to keep it up. This time, let's do this. Back home, I'm going to set you up right over here so I can finish my video. I don't want to be dragging this video on forever because this technically is I would be beginning the 4th week. I kind of wish I would have been able to stay within that 2-week time frame, but unfortunately I did get quite sick on the 2nd week, so I was unable to continue with the running. So I resumed after, you know, I started feeling better. But overall, I think the challenge was to run a mile. I did it for 2 weeks, not continually, but I still, you know, try my best. And I mean, it was hard, not gonna lie, it was very hard, but I did end up kind of enjoying it. It was a good way for me to just like warm up, get pumped up for the rest of like the workout. And I also really did enjoy seeing progress a little bit quicker than, let's say, with like weight training or something else. So I was able to, the first day I think was the day that I did a 15-minute mile, and today I did an 11-minute, was it? Let me check my Instagram because I posted it there. I think I did 11 minutes and 30 something seconds, I think. Yeah, 11 minutes, 37 seconds. I was keeping track of my runs on my Instagram, sharing a little post-run selfie. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good actually. I think it would have been a little bit better if I, you know, didn't stop running for a whole week, but 11 minutes, 37 seconds. I feel like very proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. And I no longer feel that shame and that embarrassment of not having such a, you know, fast time when running a mile. Like, I've been trying to focus on keeping a pace. So I've been running continuously for 5 to 6 minutes. I think my record was 7 minutes straight, then taking a full minute to just speed walk but catch my breath, and then I continue. And the last 0.20 seconds or 0.10 seconds, depending on how I'm doing with my breath, I just sprint because I know the finish line is like right there. So I just, you know, go hard, and it's been fun. Hopefully, I mean, I'm not gonna try to be like this big marathon runner or whatever, like that's not one of my goals, although I mean they seem fun, but I would like to do at least like the local marathons. Like, that would be pretty cool. And I know my mom really wants to do a marathon, that's one of her goals, so if I can do that with her, that would be really cool. So watch out, 2020, like Laura Squared might do a marathon. That would be pretty neat actually. I think I mentioned my knee problems, so I was a little bit scared that the constant running was going to cause knee pain, but I feel no knee pain at all. No foot pain. A little, you know, my muscles were kind of cramping up a little bit, but right now they're fine. So yeah, I mean, I really did enjoy this challenge. I'm going to keep up running the mile. Maybe not every single day, but I can do it every other day, or I don't know, maybe I can do it every single day. I mean, it only takes me, let's say, 11 to 12 minutes to do it, and then afterwards I can do whatever other workout that I want to. So we shall see. If you also kept up with this challenge, let me know in the comments below. And I have decided that the next 2 weeks of challenge is going to be 2 weeks of meditating, which I've never done before. I do suffer from anxiety, and I do get stressed out very easily if there's a lot of tasks going on. So I think it would be a good one to do, especially after after these insane couple of weeks that I've had. So yeah, 2 weeks of meditating coming up very soon in this channel. If you're brand new, please take the moment to subscribe to keep up with more challenges, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!